This video is about benefits and the things you should remember whenever you are eating radish during pregnancy. First, we will cover up some benefits of eating radish. Then I will tell you how radish should be eaten during pregnancy, because this vegetable has also got some of the concerns that we will cover later on. Starting with the benefits, this vegetable has got good amount of folate, which is a very important thing for the initial development of the baby during the first trimester. It keeps off any sort of the birth defects in the baby, like the neural tube disorders and the spina bifida. Apart from this, it will also help in the mental and the physical development of the baby inside the womb. Number second benefit is for the women who are suffering from diabetes. Now, this vegetable, that is radish, has got very low glycemic index, so it will not elevate your blood sugar level. Whenever you are feeling hungry, you can always go for radish, because this is a type of very low or almost no sugar food. Radish is also considered very good for your skin because it has got vitamin C, vitamin B, and also zinc, which will improve the texture of your baby's skin, as well as it will also work on your skin. Radish has got good amount of potassium, which will improve your blood circulation, and thus it will maintain your blood pressure. Good amount of antioxidants are found in radish, like anthocyanin, which will prevent any sort of the heart disorders during pregnancy. Radish has also got properties that will improve your urine flow. Thereby, it will decrease the chances of urinary tract infections, that is UTI. If you have got any problem related to the urine, the swelling is there, or you have got some sort of infections, eating radish will help you a lot. As I have told earlier, that this vegetable is having low glycemic index and also very low carbohydrate. This will definitely going to be helping you a lot if you are going overweight during pregnancy. Whenever you are feeling hungry, you can go for radish, because it is not going to add up to your weight. Apart from this, radish has got good amount of fiber. Thereby, it will resolve the problem of constipation and other stomach related disorders like acidity, heartburn, bloating, gas, or other digestive issues. Radish has also got good amount of vitamin C, which will improve your immunity to small problems like cold, cough, and other viral infections. So, overall, radish has got immense properties that will help you a lot in pregnancy. However, I was talking about a concern, and that is, since this vegetable is grown inside the soil, it is prone to get some bacteria, for example, salmonella. Now, this sort of vegetables that are grown inside the soil should be treated a completely different way. You have to peel the skin properly, you have to boil it. You cannot eat these things raw, at least during pregnancy, because your immunity is highly compromised this time, and you can be easily be stuck with lots of infections. Maybe it could be a food poisoning or fever, dehydration, and couple of these things. This will deteriorate your situation during pregnancy. It can trigger the contraction, it can trigger the premature labor, or if you are in your early pregnancy, it can also cause miscarriage. If you are in your late pregnancy, like before 7 months, the problem of stillbirth can also come. So it's a word of caution that whenever you are eating radish, make it sure that you are not eating it raw. Hope you will understand and act according to this important point. This is all in this video. If you like the video, do press the like button. If you are coming to the channel first time, consider subscribing. Press the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel. We will connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.